Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Do apologise for being a few minutes late. I was trying to plan something extra special, and I've just about managed to do it. So there we go. Let's get straight into the trades, and let's see how we're doing. Right. Got some interesting ones to talk about this afternoon. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. And as always, smash the like button, and that always shares the video to more people. Thank you very much. Here's my real position. My real trade's down 1.47, 1.49. We've gained back a little bit from yesterday. Still not quite there, but a bit surprising to see that Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit have recovered somewhat, but it is what it is right now. So here we are. Here is my position. The S&P has been doing very well today. It's popped up. I bought some more, and I've added it to my Roth IRA, as you can see it there. Let's go back to my main brokerage account, and you'll see this is my position with my main brokerage account. It's 53% of my portfolio. Looking nice. Virgin Galactic, look at this. Didn't expect that to pop up today. Up 8% at the moment from my 365, but I still think we're going to go down there again, so just have to have patience. Virgin Orbit tried to recover, and now it's selling off again slowly. So it's been an unusual one, really, to go up, which I never thought it would, and now it's going back down. But anyway, Rivian. I managed to buy some more today at a much lower price, so that's good. Tesla. Same thing there. I added a position there to my Roth IRA. So we've got two positions there, the main position brokerage account and the Roth IRA. And let's welcome all the guests in this afternoon. I'm trying my hardest not to cough here. Hey, Martin, woke up to the news about Vorb and helped you pull and hoped you pulled out before, but unfortunately these things happen. Frustrating. But I'm sure you'll get it back. Yeah, it was very frustrating, especially when I knew it was going to go down, which it did. Which it did. For those of you who are new to the show, I am still trying to get over COVID. I apologise for this coughing. Doing everything I can to control it. Bav Mystery, hello all. Ticker CFRX, ready to run soon. Bav Mystery, we'll try and take a look at that in a second. Hi, Bav. I just got hacked on my laptop. Back to normal now, I hope so. Oh, flipping heck. That's not good when that happens, is it, eh? Apple up and then back down again. So it's a tale of two things today. We're getting ready for Thursday's CPI, of course. That's what it's all about right now. Nice little bounce today on Amazon. I've got a nice big position on Amazon. I'm still down 10%, but I'm happy to hold it. Got a good position there. McDonald's as well. Looking pretty good today. Coca-Cola. I've been nibbling away on my Roth IRA. Let's go back to my main brokerage account. So I'm starting to add a little bit. I've still got plenty of buying power. Here is my overall position. Look, nearly $3,000. I'm holding it. I think 22's right. We've got a bit of time to go before Thursday when we might see some bigger drops. Okay, we've got a good audience already with us, 26 already watching. If you've just tuned in, please subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. I've got a bit of a surprise for everybody. I hope Ed Nevius comes in, because straight after the show, in 1 hour and 5 minutes, we have a world premiere. I'm excited about this one. Here we go. And it's all about my studio. I hope you like it. Here's the world premiere. There it is in the chat. Click on it. Leave a like. Leave a comment. We'll be there right at the end of the show. 1:15. An hour and 5 minutes from now. This is what it looks like for the very first time. That is what it looks like. Sounds of silence from my studio. There you go. There it is. You can leave a like, comment already. That's the world premiere, which premieres in an hour and 64 minutes, in fact. 64 minutes. I hope you'll join me for the world premiere. Okay. It's penny play, says Bav Mystery. I will have a look at it in a minute. Don't get self-conscious about coughing because some knob mentioned it. I appreciate that, 22. It's very kind of you. I'm so annoyed, though. It's so hard to produce and record music and record videos when you're coughing all the time. You know what I mean? And who wants to hear it, right? It upsets me as well because it's what killed my mum. My mum literally coughed for the last 2 years of her life every 10 seconds until her heart stopped, and then she coughed no more. Twitch, thank you, Mike, keeping Twitch going. Let me have a little look on Twitch. How many people we've got over there now? We've got 12 subscribers. 2 of you have let your subscriptions lapse. So if you've let your subscription lapse, it's free. Just use Amazon Prime Gaming. Make sure you keep it alive. That way you'll be in our free prize draw on the first Friday of the month. So here is Twitch. Some of you have let your Twitch subscriptions lapse because if Amazon Prime are paying for it for free, they don't renew it. So there's your Amazon Prime Gaming, okay? In the chat. I'm awake, says Bill. Hi, Martin. I have a better stock for you. The Vorb, than Vorb. It's ACHR. Look them up. Nate Miller. Nate, let's have a little look. You need to be a member for me to highlight stocks, but you've been a member before, so I'm going to have a quick look for you. ACHR. Archer Aviation. Let's have a quick look. Archer Aviation. Now then, it's a penny stock engaged in development of all electrical vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft. The company was founded by Brett Adcock and Graham Goldstein on October 16, 2018. Okay, let's have a little look at it. It's down in the doldrums at the moment, down 76%. It was a SPAC by the looks of things. SPACs just aren't doing well, are they? Virgin Galactic's a SPAC, Virgin Orbit's a SPAC. But we're up 20% this week. We'll take a closer look at it. Thank you very much indeed for that information. I will take a closer look at it. Nate Miller, thank you very much for that. Hi everyone, George Semaine. Sorry to hear that, Martin. Sorry to hear what, Mike? What are you sorry to hear? What did I say? Just make sure. Hey, what's going on here? We've got a super chat. A whopping great. Oh my gosh, we've got a whopping great super chat. Second biggest super chat. The biggest super chat I've ever had was $100 super chat. We had a couple of those back to back, but this is our second biggest super chat. What have we got here? Let's have a look. This is Ali Tisro. Very important crypto-related announcement, which Martin and I have. There you go. We were talking earlier. Looking forward to an exciting 2023 for all the community. We will work towards a big $100,000 year. Judge the day not to invest. You reap but the seeds which you sow. I like this. Very exciting. I was talking to Ali Tisro earlier. And Ali, at the end of, in fact, I won't have time today. I'll send you a message on Discord. But Ali Tisro just gave me a fantastic super chat. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. We've got something exciting planned for you with a new element to our channel, a new element to our service. And for those of you that are interested in crypto, we're not going to change the direction of this channel at all, of course. It's all about community, entertainment, passion, support, togetherness, everybody sharing knowledge, a general channel. But we are going to bring some exclusive content for some very interesting stuff. I'm going to follow. In fact, I'm not going to tell you much about it right now. We're going to leave the excitement a little while longer. But there we go. Look at that super chat, $44 super chat. Absolutely awesome. Very nice indeed. In fact, 45 pound super chat. Oh, your mum? Yes. Yeah, my mum. My mum died of coughing. So there we go. It's always a bit of a concern when I cough. ACHR already has FAA. Go ahead to manufacture and test flight for its midnight ETORO. Also, it deals with Stellantis and an airline. Nate, put that into Discord if you can. And let's continue the conversation about that. Hi, pal. Anthony Mallon. How are you? Donkey, your stance on Tilray seems stuck under legislation until changes in the US. Let's go back and look at Tilray. I sold half my position. I'm glad I did. I've still got 243. It's down 0.73. I'm not adding any more. I think it could go lower before it goes higher. We've got probably a year to wait with this at least. So it's a bit like VORB. There's no rush to get into the stock. Money can be working elsewhere unless you expect something to bounce on an earnings, but we don't at the moment. I didn't take off with Virgin Orbit. I crashed and burned. 400 loss. Real Ray, I'm the same. But if you watched the video last night and this morning, you'd know I was out of the stock before it dropped. I knew it was going to drop. I was spot on. However, because it was after hours, the order didn't go through. So I got stung because as the markets dropped, which they did, which I knew they would, I couldn't sell quick enough. I was already set an order. It just didn't go through. Anyone who sold space to buy VORB shouldn't, says Alex. Church of Logic, these crypto fans are like Mormons walking around all happy and selling you religion. Ali Tisro says, what do you mean, church? You're turning into another cliche investing YouTuber with these subscription plans and exclusive pay-to-view content. We'll have to sub to a Patreon to view the live streams next. I don't like using the word offence, but I will take offence at that, and I tell you for why, Beyblade. Other YouTubers sell you training programs. I do not. The other YouTubers go make their 99% of what they do is making videos, and they go live for less than 10% of the time. I'm live up to 10 hours a day for free for everyone. Supporting everyone, raising money for charities, giving the honest position, sharing my honest positions with everybody for free, 10 hours a day. However, if you like my channel and you want to support my channel, because I earn nothing from going live, making videos is how YouTubers make money, I've got an army of people here who want to be a member. And they don't have to be a member. They can still watch me for free, but they choose to be a member for a couple of bucks a month, which helps give me an income to provide this service. And considering they watch it more than Netflix, I would say it's good value. Plus, they get 20 times back what they put in. So that's what that's all about. And by subscribing to me as a member, I actually go to work for you and help and support and give you lots of perks and benefits, including 20-minute fundraisers, live concerts if you want a wedding or a birthday or a memorial, fundraisers, happy birthdays, exclusive content. Members like exclusive content, makes them feel engaged and special. So I'm not turning into a cliche investing YouTuber with these subscription plans. People can watch for free. They choose to be members because they want to support the channel and get the perks it comes with. We'll have to sub to a Patreon to view the live streams next. No, you will not have to subscribe to a Patreon to watch my live streams. But I hope I've answered that question and given it a fair, honest reply. But I also give it back every Friday in cash giveaways, cash prizes, the Twitch prizes. Absolutely. The more I make, the more I give away. But this is my full-time living, Blade. This is how I actually earn my living, sitting here 10 hours a day, providing this live stream to you. Anyway, thank you for all the comments, guys. Hopefully we can get a squeeze. XELA, hopefully can get a squeeze. Mohammed Makine, there we go, sending some information. Mohammed Makine, by the way, has just joined Ali Tisro. He's a gold member like you. I think he was our 13th or 14th gold member. Again, Mohammed Makine is a gold member. He chooses to be a gold member to support this channel. And I like to feel that I give back not just the live streams, but the perks to those members as well. Drinking tea or warm water. I am drinking your tea, Bill, as well. Thank you for that as well. I am doing all of that. I do watch this more than Netflix. There you go, see? And you pay a lot more for Netflix. I think you have the right blend of balance on your channel. That's why we're addicted here all the time. Thanks and keep it up, please. George Semaine, you're very welcome. Martin gives too much away, if you ask me. There you go. They choose to be a member so they could be part of your clique. Project Freedom. Project Freedom, it's not a clique, it's a family. And it's open to anyone. Marta, I like how transparent you are. You're the full energy and have a big heart. No, not everyone understand that. That's fine. Real Ray, they don't have to understand it. I get it. You need to raise capital to cover the 45,000 you lost last year. Well, considering at the moment I'm earning about $11 a day. I'm up from my $10 a day now. $11 a day. Overall, that's what I live on to provide you this content. Is that too much to ask? And let me tell you something. I didn't lose $45,000 at all. I started this portfolio from $5,000. So you're wrong again there. And my portfolio is down right now. But that's irrelevant. This is the time to accumulate for when I'm up. Remember, your portfolio being down is irrelevant until the day you need to cash it out for your pension. It doesn't matter if you are down. I haven't lost the money until I walk away and say I'm done. So I haven't lost any money at all. My shares are just worth less. In fact, everybody's shares are worth less. My wife has a full-time job and she's buying shares every month as her job, a 401k. Her portfolio is down, as is everybody's portfolio. So I am not losing $45,000. Gold member, the second best Austin Powers film. I love it. Martin, I'll be platinum soon. Just give me time. Look at that. Look at that, Blade. We got a member here who wants to be a platinum member. Do you know how much a platinum member is? It's several $100s because he wants to be. And he also gets very exclusive content. I make one-on-one videos for my platinum members as well. So I actually work for you. But nevertheless, he is choosing to do that. Anyway, that's a bit weird. Look at that, what's happening there? Let me change that screen a minute. Look at that on the screen. That froze there for a minute. Let me bring that back. There we go. That's better. Okay, let's get back to our positions. We've spent enough time talking to Blade. Here's my human verification. Mohammed, here's my human verification. What does that mean? It looks like Beyblade is trolling. Is a bot. Get out of here. There you go. I'm cashing out when I'm rich, says Anthony Malon. Very good idea. That's the idea, isn't it? You make money, you take profits, and you have a pension. For me, it's different. I'm providing a service and a family. Mohammed, a faithful man will be abound with blessings, but he who hastens to be rich will not go unpunished, says Rob Brennan. I slay bot, says Mike. Mohammed, here's my human verification. Just remember to diversify. Yes, indeed. There you go. You're making lots of friends, Beyblade. Maybe not the best thing to do. Just think I almost banned Mohammed because I thought he was a bot. I know. Yes. Church of Logic, don't ban Mohammed. He's about to become a platinum member. Right? That's as much as I earn in one member than all the members combined. Ban yourself, Churchy. Do not ban Mohammed McKine. He will be the emperor of the channel. He will be like the sheik of the channel. Do not do not ban him. Whatever you do. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Virgin Galactic, can you believe this today? Are you surprised? Virgin Orbit even came back. It's dropping off again, but I'm very, very surprised. Surprised by that. But nothing surprises me anymore in this market, I'm afraid. Have to be careful not to be funny, too heavy-handed. It's useful to have different opinions. Absolutely right. We do need that. I only learn from people who criticise the show, not the ones who compliment. And I mean that with the greatest respect. It's very true. Right, if we hit 100 subscribers today, I'll do a cash giveaway. If we hit 100 subscribers. Okay, I will do another cash giveaway. Did you hear that, Blade? I will give away free money, even to you. You don't even need to be a member to get free money. How about that? Anyway, let's carry on. I'll be right back in 10 seconds' time. Here's a quick commercial break. Here we go. Okay, you can sponsor this space if you want to be one of our members who's also a YouTube, excuse me, sponsor member. You can sponsor this space. There you go. There it is. And at the moment, you'll get 20 commercials a day across 20 platforms. Pretty good, right? Okay. Congratulations on 6,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, Rob Brennan. I can't even believe it sometimes. Let's have a quick look. 6,031. 6,031. I know. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, 30 watching, 13 likes. Let's get to 20 likes in 1 minute. If we get 100 today, we will give away a cash prize. Are you ready? Okay. 1 minute on the clock. Let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That went up quick. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Pow, pow. There we go. 20. Look at that. 20 likes. If we get 100 likes by the end of the show, we will give away a cash prize. Excellent stuff. 19 likes. And let's get... Whoops. My computer's going slow. What's going on? Going on? Hang on, I'm still here. There we go. I know why this is, folks. This is because I did some editing and the computer needs to be restarted. Sometimes, even though it's a powerful Mac, it does get a little bit overtired. 24 likes. Thank you very much. Okay, in 45 minutes now, I hope that Ed Nevius is here today. I just don't say positive things. I don't just say positive things. I have criticised you before, Martin, when you sang Santa Baby and didn't wear a Kylie Minogue outfit. You did. That's right. You told me off for that one. Okay, there's a good few experts here and people who are learning like me. Let's look at a stock and collectively make a little dish, says George Mahey. A little dosh, little dish, little dosh. What's going on here? All perspectives are welcome as long as it comes with a form of rational advice rather than hate and disrespect. Martin doesn't deserve to be disrespected. Thank you, Churchy. Good afternoon, Ed Nevius. I'm glad he's here. Ed Nevius, the man of the hour. Just talking about Ed Nevius. We got a massive super chat tonight, by the way, from Ali Tisro. hinting at something exciting up on the horizon. So we're working on that, and also I'm working with Ed Nevius as well. But I'm glad Ed's here, because Ed always requests the sounds of silence. So today, the world premiere, I thought it would create the atmosphere in the darkness of my studio. Here is the world premiere of Sounds of Silence. It airs tonight. There's the live chat in 45 minutes from now. Join me for the world premiere of Sound of Silence. There it is. We've already got 4 likes on it. There we go. So make sure that you join me in 45 minutes for Sound of Silence, the world premiere. I hope you like it. Something different, right? Look at that. In my studio. What's going on? There it is. Who is that? Who is that? I hope you like it. I enjoyed making that one. Anyone speak badly about Leah is automatically banned. Oh, there we go. That's told you. We will slay them, church. Don't worry. This is how church, but I know church, but it's part of being a YouTuber. Only get more frequent as the channel grows. Seriously, Martin, have you considered as you get more popular, you become a threat, and people will come here and try and disrupt you in the room and upset everybody. It already happens. I get a lot of comments on the channel, Twitter. Reddit, I've left Reddit. I get it all over Reddit. People copy the videos. On TikTok, I have over 100 copycats. I've got copycats all over the place trying to bring the channel down. And the silly thing is, it just makes it stronger. Anyway, I'm in debt and working 2 jobs and put only $85 in so far and down to $42, but I still pay for subscription each month, and I'm happy to do it. Thank you, sincerely. That's a huge. I understand that. I understand there's people here with lots of money. Mohammed Mackay wants to become a platinum member, but I also know there are people here with a few dollars and they put it into memberships. I'm aware of that. It's why I spend 10 hours a day and why I try to constantly bring you the best service humanly possible. When is Virgin Galactic's next test flight? We don't know yet, is the honest answer. People are making up stories on Reddit and Twitter and telling you it's today, tomorrow, and all the rest of it. It's all a load of rubbish. There is no evidence at all for that. Someone on Reddit's saying flights on the 20th of February, 4th of March, 1st of May, 29th of May. Load of nonsense. There's no way they're going to fly that often. But anyway, we will see. We will see. All right? Bootsy, thanks for the information. But until it's verified, we can talk about it. But we're not going to, make a video on it, put it that way. Fed Chairman Powell noted that stabilising prices requires making tough decisions that could be unpopular politically. Nitz Fareld, look at Nitz Fareld, look. Anyone recognise this? Just a little thought for you. Hey, Nitz Fareld, you're getting famous tonight. We have a world premiere coming out on this video, on my music channel tonight. Look at that. Awesome. Right. In other remarks, the central bank leader said the Fed is not and will not be a climate policy maker. So what do we make Thursday? CPI, bad, good? What do you reckon? Yes, says Ed Nevius. World premiere, brilliant. Let's scroll on down. Peter Flutter Edits is here. Please tell someone why, when I tried to add money to my brokerage, it went to my cash earning interest. Please tell me something. Why, when I try to add money to my brokerage, hang on a second, when you add money to your brokerage, it goes in your cash buying power. For example, look at my buying power here. When I transfer money, it goes there into the buying power. It sits in the pot, ready to buy stocks. It doesn't just go into a stock, it goes into your buying power. Either in your buying power for your brokerage account or on Robinhood, it goes into my Roth IRA or traditional IRA, depending which way you want to do it. But there you go. So my full balance now is $33,500, $34,793. I transferred $1,100 this morning into my account and got a 1% match from Robinhood. Thank you very much indeed. It's nits on the thumbnail. Sure, nits will work. BDSM night. What does that mean? BDSM night. Oh, yeah. How early can I text you, Mike? How early can I text you? Anytime. As early as you like. Makes no difference. My phone is silenced until I'm awake. So text me as early as you want. You'll get hardened to the trolls as time goes on, I'm sure. Not too hard, I hope. I like to stay the way I am. If I get caught out, I'll get caught out. I'm a human being, right? Putting a kid through graduate school takes a bite, but I have zero regrets, says Nitz Farrell. Any idea why Arrival is soaring? No reason whatsoever. Ryogan. Let's have a... Is it Ryohan? I don't know, is the answer to that question. Probably the same way as Mullen. A lot of nonsense and very influential retail investors who are just pumping the stock just to dump it again. Anytime I'll find out here and see I'm going to make a phone... Anytime I find out here and see me, I'm going to make a phone call. Sorry, Project Freedom. I didn't understand that question. Trying to get through all the questions today is very difficult. We're getting busier and busier all the time. Help! I've 500 burning a hole and want his tip. George Semaine wants a tip from Ed Nevius. Right now, if I had $500 and I had to spend it, if I was in your position, but remember I'm not, and everyone's situation is completely different. If I had $500 right now and I didn't have anything else at all, and I wanted to start building my portfolio, I'd buy the S&P 500. If I owned absolutely nothing else, because the S&P 500 is going to give you a decent dividend. It's going to always be around. It isn't going anywhere. It's on average 15% a year over the last 20 years. So you're in a good position, and it's been beaten up over the last year. So if I only had $500, I wouldn't spend it all on one stock, of course. But remember, that's 500 of the best US companies, which is used as a measure for all fund managers, and very few can beat it. So what chance have you got of beating it? None. Okay, Virgin Galactic is going to make their first passenger flight on August 23rd at 9 a.m. This is the date they're pushing for, says Project Freedom. Right, if any of my members who have access to Discord could send me that information. I have not seen that date verified like that at all. Virgin Galactic is going up. Maybe that news has got out and it's getting leaked, and I don't know why that's going up. I'm not going to jump all over it. I honestly don't know why. Let's have a little look. Over the week now, 13% on Virgin Galactic. Was down here at 354. Because I shorted space, yeah. Because you shorted it, it's going up. It's a short squeeze. All right. We got a little bounce, no question about it. But let's get some perspective. Let's pan out. That doesn't tell us anything really. BIOR up 334%. Too bad I'm down like 12 times. AST, Space Mobile is the future. Any thoughts? AST, Space Mobile is the future. I've not heard of that. Anybody heard of that one? Martin, if you held Orbit last night, you'd only be down $200. Correct. I'm looking at that, but I'm surprised it's up, I have to say. But how weak that is, I don't know. I'm surprised to see it up. I don't know why anyone's bought it, but then I'm not surprised. It looks cheap. A lot of people, it's in the news. People think, oh, I'll buy it. That's the only reason. There's no other reason for that. They're not going to fly for a year. What are you going to do? Just park your money for a year? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense why it's up. Is it fair to say you got emotional last night over the stock? No. No, it isn't. I was emotional, but some So yes, I guess I was. Is it fair sales emotional? Yes, it was. But I think I was right, and everything I said I still stand by. Anyway, I shorted space too. Everything I do in the market does the opposite. So annoying. That's why I never short. I'm never going to be wrong at that. I'm never going to be wrong shorting the stock because I never do it. Okay. Let's have a quick look and see how many we've got here. 6,031 subscribers. If we get 100 likes, we will do a cash prize giveaway by the end of the show. We're only at 25. There's 42 watching, so it's doable. Let's check our breaking news from Bloomberg. And what else have we got here? What other news have we got going on now? Nothing over there, nothing major. CPI, of course, on Thursday. We'll be live for it. We've got the earnings seasons coming up soon as well. So there's earnings we'll be covering. So look out for that. We are going to be covering all the earnings. Another week or so, and we'll be back into earnings season. So we will be covering all the major stocks that we own, of course, and others. Let's talk Lucid. What do you think? I trade the open and close only to risk after hours, said Church. AST has an amazing PB, and its target price is 200 plus from most indicators. Have a look, trust me. AST. I can't look at the moment, Ryan. I have to focus on my members. I get so many questions in chats. I have to focus on the members. If you become a member, sing a song and be happy. Ha ha ha. Real Ray has requested a song. Okay, well, as you know, we now put the songs in the live shows after on the other channel now at Real Ray. So if you do attend on the super chat, we do a after hours show, and I sing live on the show. But tonight there can't be a live show because at Real Ray we have a world premiere in half an hour from now. It's the Sound of Silence. There it is. Hopefully you'll join me for tonight's world premiere. Here it is. I'll give you the link in the chat. We've got 6 likes on it already. We get about 17 normally, so hopefully we'll get 17 likes before this goes off tonight. I hope you like it. Sound of Silence, the darkness of my studio. What's it all about? All right. Yeah, so I was just giving you the invitation to become a member of my channel, Ryan Sullivan. Here is the invitation. If you do this, then I can make videos on the stock for you, review stock, do polls, and many, many more things as well. Right, Flames, as said, rumours of Lucid partnership with Apple. Flames, that's not new. Unless you've heard something new, that has been going on for a very long time. Let's look at Lucid right now. The rumours about Lucid and Apple have been going on a long, long time. SPCE, are we going to get some FOMO right now? I want to buy in. I've got plenty of money to buy in, but I don't like the fact it's running away without me at the moment. The Apple Lucid rumours have been a long time now. It has, and there's no evidence behind it. Oh, hang on. We got some breaking news on Sky News. I'll bring it to you now. Update, Virgin Orbit.
It then falls back to Earth while a second stage engine ignites, lifting the payload of satellites to more than 100 miles. The engine then cuts out, with the rocket still climbing fast. It's at this point that something went wrong. The rocket only reached 11,000 miles an hour, well short of the speed needed to put the satellites in orbit. NASA and SpaceX make rocket launches look easy, but many of them
Oh, sorry guys, I wasn't showing the audio.
Engineering.
Sorry guys.
Again. On board the rocket was a prototype for a space factory. Insurance covers the loss, but not the months of work that went into the design.
Nothing short of devastation. It was a real big moment for the team, launching our first mission, Forge Star Zero, as well as the first satellite designed and built in Wales. But at the same time, we still have a lot to celebrate. We got Wales' first satellite to a launch pad.
This would have been the first satellite launch in Europe, a commercial coup for the UK space industry. And while the rocket may have fallen back to Earth, the ambition remains sky high. Thomas Moore, Sky News in Newquay.
Well, I'm pleased to say I'm joined by
Have we got more?
NASA astronaut and International Space Station Commander Dr. Leroy Chow this evening. Thanks very much indeed for being with us. Good to see you again. Let's talk about the obvious question, really, and the brutal one. Should we consider this a total failure?
As far as the payload goes, of course, the satellites were all lost, so from that perspective, it was a total failure. However, the launch was not a complete failure in that the first stage performed correctly, nominally, as we say in the business. The second stage, ignited, seemed to be doing well. I understand we had fairing separation, and then sometime after that, there was the loss of the second stage. So it was a partial failure, partial success. Not the first launch of this rocket. It has launched successfully in the past. But unfortunately, in this case, the first launch from the UK, it suffered an anomaly.
So what do you know, or what does any of us really know about what exactly went wrong?
We don't know exactly what went wrong. Virgin Orbit has not released any details, any kind of press.
Okay, we haven't got any information on what went wrong yet, so we'll pass on that for the moment then. There we go. We'll come back if we get any more information. But Virgin Galactic is doing very well now. I'm not in it. I've got $3,000 on the standby, and I'm not in it at the moment. I wonder why it's going up like that. I'd hate to see it run away without me. Of course, FOMO is the worst thing that investors and traders experience. FOMO, especially when I was at 365 and I had 2,000 shares of it. That's frustrating. Let's read these comments out. Take care, Ray. Ray's off. Sorry to lose you, Ray. Understand you've got to go. See you back in a bit. Where's the rocket? I want to sell it on eBay. 35% of households use credit cards to pay expenses, and the interest is 19%. Institutions like BlackRock may buy when they have confirmation people have heavily in debt. Recession is priced in. 35% in America. Okay, look at that. What makes sense, the moment you get out of it, it goes up, right? It's still cheap though. Remember, $4 is still cheap. Between $4 and $4.50 is the balance of the cash on the books. I absolutely refuse to pay $10 for Virgin Galactic when I had 2,000 at 360. But that's a different world. You can't think like that. Once that time has come and gone, you've got to look at it differently. But there you go. I did say yesterday that it would go up. Is the bump for space because of Vorb? I mean, it got some publicity, but there's no real reason. There's no real reason at the moment. I want to get back in. I have to say I'd rather be in at $4 than $5. No question about it. But it's a very small pump at the end of the day. I could buy some. At the end of the day, we're talking a 6% swing from where it was to where it is now. It's not huge. Church says, wait for the CPI report. 22, yes, you are right, but the times are now different. Let's do a poll. It's not right to chase a stock. Start a poll. Should we buy SPCE? Something's putting it up. People are buying it for some reason, and I don't know why. It will drop like a stone tomorrow, first thing, does every day. This time is different, LOL. Martin, don't ever go completely out of high conviction. It's going up high. Let's have a look. It will drop like a stone first thing tomorrow. Yes, you're right, but what time are different now? It wouldn't matter to buy a small position and add to it tomorrow. I mean, I could buy 1,000 shares. Let's have a little look at the minute. Let's say, for example, I buy 1,000 shares. Limit order. I'm just giving an example. Let's go 405 just for the sake of it. And I buy 1,000 shares. That is $4,000. Well, I can't afford that. So let's go 500 shares. That's $2,000. I can afford that. Let's go more like 300 shares. That's $1,200. I could do that and add to it. Don't FOMO in. Technology is different now. Let it go. Yeah, FOMO is terrible. It's a terrible, terrible, terrible thing to do. There are other opportunities. Let it go. I think it's the right thing to do to hold fire. Now, if I miss it, I miss it. It's like walking past the news agents and saying, I could have bought a lottery ticket and I could have won $1 million today. I could buy Virgin Galactic and it goes up. I could buy Virgin Galactic and it goes down. It's at the end of the day right now. We don't know what's going to happen. And at the end of the day, my money is still safe, earning 4%. Anyway, we shall see. I'm surprised it's going up. I'm not going to buy it right now. I'm going to keep my money on hand. And we'll see where the markets go after CPI. Don't chase it. I'm not going to. I would have done in the past, but I'm not. Anyway. Let's bring everybody up to date. We've got 25 minutes before our world premiere tonight. I hope everybody will join me on my other channel for our world premiere of Sound of Silence, my studio in darkness. There you go. There is the world premiere link. There you go. And just a few minutes to go before the show ends. I'm just watching a few things. Customization. There we go. Redirect. I want to be able to do this. This is a new feature that YouTube have just brought out. I think it works. Let me have a look. And yes, it does. Awesome. Fantastic. At the end of this show, it'll take you directly there. So that's cool. I'm down for today. Just my third day trade. Today I'm done. Yep, walk away. I'm excited. Way bigger potential than Virgin. Way bigger potential than Virgin. What is? Mr. Clockwork, Martin, try a small position of TMPO. TMPO, let's have a little look at it. You keep mentioning it, and I haven't yet given it enough attention. TMPO, let me have a quick look. Let me just change that a minute. Change that. Put that back there. TMPO. TMPO. Let's have a look. Tempo automation. Let's have a look. It's another penny stock. That manufacturer, printed circuit boards, serving industry tech, medical. I'd need to do more checks on this one. I've never heard of this. Tempo automation. I need to do some research on that before I look at that. Right. The S&P is going up as well. The whole market is going up at the moment. We're back in the black with S&P. That's nice. Virgin Galactic is running. It's up 2.75. It's now 402. It is frustrating, though. We all understand that. I can't believe Virgin Orbit recovered. I'm really surprised. But anyway, there we go. Very surprised by that. Let's read the comments. Work when people are out of the cash. The pain is only just starting. That has to filter through to companies like being out of cash because no one is buying. Recession, first time the market will bottom. Then it's time to buy. TMPO is still cheap. Invest a bit and hold, says Clockwork. What's your opinion on Rocket Labs? Just for your information, you got to check out the kid on LSC. What kid's that? You got to check out the kid on LSC. Amazing. Who's the kid? Who are we talking about, Church? Chris? Who are we talking about? Tell him to come in here and I'll promote him. Check ARDX, the ultimate FDA Hail Mary plan. Rocket Labs for the win says, get ready for space. Alex is still saying, get ready for space. Look at this. He's been saying it and saying it and saying it. 22 recession is when people are out of the money, and reports show that they are. Markets price 6 months up front. Just a question, Martin. Can you read algo? Algo? Can I read algorithms? Is that a question? I know what an algorithm is, but can I read algorithms? I would have to say no. Chris, you're our coder for Live Trimmer Cafe. Can you read algorithms? I have to be honest, I don't think I can. In fact, I know I can't. I wouldn't even know where to start. Oh, algo is a crypto. Can you read algo? Oh, I can. Can you? All right. How do you do that then? Any chance you look at AST? I'll come back to it if I get chance. It's a member's benefit. 0.68 now. Virgin Galactic now is up 3%. The overall portfolio, though, is going up. My losses from yesterday are pretty much soaked up. Mr. Clockwork, we aren't in a recession yet, and the market has never bottomed prior to a recession in history, says 22. Very much the same principles as market profit. Right, we've got 3 minutes to go. We're just about to ring the bell. If we get to 100 likes before the end of the show, we'll do another cash giveaway. It's time for a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. And you can sponsor this space, and you could be in this space with your commercial break. Goes over to 20 platforms, 20 times a day, tens of thousands of people across multiple networks. If you are a YouTube member and you are a sponsor level. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, let's get an update on all our stocks right now. Tesla is down today, but now it's moving up to 118. I bought some more. I sold for a profit yesterday, 2 days ago. I'm glad I did. It was the right thing to do. I sold half my position. Let's look at Tilray. Tilray, I sold half my position. Good. Can I become an Amazon member? Can I become an Amazon member? If I'm not really sure I know what you mean by that. If you want to subscribe to my Twitch account using Amazon Prime, yes, you can. Here is my Twitch account. I'll give it to you now. If you use Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to me for free, and every first Friday of the month, I give away a cash prize to my subscribers. There's my Twitch. Use Amazon Prime. If you are a YouTube member, by the way, I also give you cash back on Amazon purchases. If you let me know you bought something, subscribe to you through Amazon. Subscribe to you through Amazon. On Twitch you can, not on YouTube. And there's no deal with Amazon on YouTube. Amazon on Twitch, yes, you can. Okay, we have got 1 minute to go. The bell is about to go. Here we go. 45 seconds to go. Day trader of the day and my world premiere in 15 minutes time. The markets are lifting off. The S&P is up. Let's have a look at my Roth IRA. That is just about to turn green. 25 seconds to go. Space is looking good. Virgin Galactic is now up 3%, 404. Remember, it won't be down forever. Eight seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're in the after hours now. Let's have a look. Keeping our eye on Virgin Galactic. Are we going to get... Now, remember, this stock has been $70 a share. Remember that. It's very, very important to remember that one day it won't be down here anymore. When they start flying, which will be at any time now, this will go up. No question. It's down 0.25% in the after hours. We do want to get it back, but we want to get it around our 365. However, 365 or 403, who cares when it's $30 a share? Very, very important to note that. So we don't want FOMO, but we do want to be in, don't we? The overall portfolio. Nobody's going to space next year. That is a regular person. A regular person. There are customers going to space in 2023. Virgin Orbit, there we go, going back down again. Be very, very careful if you suddenly decide to jump all over this. Tesla, we want to buy some more Tesla. Lucid. Okay. Day trader of the day, folks. Let's run day trader of the day. We'll keep our eye on Virgin Galactic for a second and see what it does in the after hours. But let's go over to our main portfolio. And I am down 1%, much better than I was this morning. But I've improved my position just by holding on. In fact, I bought a few things that were down. Bought a couple of shares of Coca-Cola, and so okay. Plus, I bought what else did I buy? The S&P 500 in my Roth IRA. Okay, so let's do day trader of the day. That's not a very good screen for that. Let's change it to this one. I am down 1.08. And then we've got the world premiere in 12 minutes. Down 1.08%. There we go. 1.08%. You ready? Let's see 1.1. Right, is that up or down, Nits? You need to say up or down. Up 0.7 says Mike. Down 1.1 says Crag. So Mike goes into the lead. I'm not sure what Nits is saying. If he's up or down, I don't know. Virgin Galactica, you mean Virgin Galactic, 475, then bottom. What do you mean? He's going to go to 475 and then it's going to bottom? What do you mean by that? Up 1.23. Okay. Queen of Self-Braiding goes into the lead with 1.9 overall position. Congratulations, Queen. Very nice indeed. Any advances on 1.9? 4.75, then a drop. Okay. Then a drop. Up 1.44. Says Brickmark, and Queen of Self-Braiding is still in the lead at 1.9. Oh, I haven't run the timer. What am I doing? How did I miss that? Nice, Queen. Okay. 11 minutes to go for our world premiere. You can stay right where you are. It'll take you right to the video you want to be at. Or here is the link for the world premiere. I hope everyone tonight comes and joins me. It's from the darkness of my studio, the sounds of silence. There it is. Let's hope we get a nice viral video. If everyone shares this on their social media, you never know. Okay, a few seconds to go. Arrival up 20%. It's insane. I mean, some things don't make sense. We've got a lot of retail investors who are buying stuff that looks cheap. It's up to them. I'm not going to play that game. We're doing things a little bit differently, right? So Arrival up 20%. It looks like the Queen of Self-Braiding. We didn't get any more scores. I think the Queen of Self-Braiding is the winner tonight. So let's thank you, Queen, for your honest trades. I was going to buy Virgin Galactic, but the Cylons got me first. Virgin Galactica. Yeah, it's Virgin Galactic, isn't it? That's funny. Anyway, my computer's going a bit slow this afternoon. It's because I've been recording and editing, and things are a little bit higgledy-pickledy. Yeah, look at that. It won't even give Queen this. It won't even give Queen the thumbs up. Oh, see, it's all flashing all over the place. There you go, Queen. I'm trying to get you the subscriptions, but my computer's going slow. It's all over the place. There you go. We got there in the end. Yes, Queen closed at close. That was a good one. Target price 65. Another great tip from Ed Nevius. Congratulations. Again, I can't take most of these tips because obviously I'm presenting the show and I miss a few things, but that's how it goes. Up 1.55, Stephen Lewandowski. Maybe you should sing I Want to Break Free by Queen. I could record that. That's another one I could record and make a pop video out of. I'm sorry, Queen. I'm trying to get rid of all the bloody animation. It's all over the place. My computer's playing up. I press it, it comes back, goes away. I don't know what I'm doing. No way. The stock is at 540. What's at 540? Space? Oh, I had a bloody heart attack then going, what? What's at 540? What's at 540? Honestly, talk about FOMO. I was like, you are having a bloody laugh. Virgin Galactic's now at 540 or BIOR. Okay, fair enough. I can survive that. Okay, I've got to get out of here. We've got a world premiere coming up in a second. So the moment I end this video, it'll take you directly there. If you want to use the link, you can use the link. Please join me, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment below the video, and then please share it on your social media. I would love your friends to watch this. Here's our world premiere tonight. Good job, Queen. Very, very nice indeed. Here it is. Here is the thumbnail. I hope you like it. I'm being very creative now, aren't I? Doing some creative stuff. There you go. Sounds of Silence coming up in just a few moments' time. All right, it's now time to wrap up the show. I need to restart my poor computer. It's screaming at me. You need to restart me. I'm all confused. How many people came through today's show? 112. A little bit quieter this afternoon. Apologise for the sticking of the screen. I've got the most powerful computer Mac you can buy, so it's not for the want of trying, but I ask a lot from my computer. A heck of a lot. Okay. Right, let's wrap up the show. I'm going to the premiere. Nitz Farrell. Well, you have to be at the premiere. It looks like you're in it. It looks like you're in it, mate. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll be back in the morning. So we've got CPI coming up on Thursday. We've got earnings reports around the corner. We're now coming into earnings season again. We are going to start talking about me and Ali Tisro. We've got something exciting to bring to you. Ed Nevius, we've got new projects I'm working with Ed Nevius on. Plus, we've got to talk about the Day Trader 2023 convention. Last year, we all got together in Cornwall in England. This year, we're hoping to get together in America. Perhaps the Virgin Galactic at the New Mexico. Have a little party for a weekend. It'd be cool. So let's see if we can manage to organise that. Queen of Logic. Did you check Discord? Church of Logic. All right. Okay, it's time to go. let's roll the credits. Someone say roll the credits and I'll do it. Here is one last time the world premiere link. You can use this, or you can just, as the video finishes, it'll automatically take you to the premiere. So you can stay right where you are. And that's the easiest way, but there's a link if you need it. Okay. Let's roll the credits and I'll see you all back in the morning. Okay, here we go. Let's see how we did today. I don't think we did very much, except we did a fantastic super chat with Ali Tisro tonight. Absolutely awesome. Ali Tisro gave me the second biggest tip we've ever had on the show. Thanks for your support. Super chats, Ali Tisro. And we're getting a little bit of stutter on the screen, but I apologise for that. Try again. All right. Great, there we go. Ali Tisro and Real Ray both gave me super chats. Real Ray, you've got a song now in the bank when we do our next live show. So Real Ray, are you still here? You have a song in the bank for our next live show. Thank you ever so much. Wow, everybody on TikTok, look at all those follows. Absolutely great. Thanks for the follows, everybody. Absolutely awesome. Technoik says the Church of Logic. I have no idea what the conversation's going on there. But anyway, that's it from me. It's 13 minutes now. Ciao for now, says Anthony Mallon. Come and join us. Stay right where you are. This video will take you to the world premiere. Join in for the live premiere. It's a 5-minute video. Leave a comment below in the live chat, but also the comments below. Love your thoughts on it, especially for Ed Nevius, this one. Ed Nevius, this is for you. You said you like this song, and Nitz Farreld is starring in the video. Nitz Farreld is starring in the video. See you back. I'll be right there with you for the world premiere in 3 minutes from now. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.